Hey everyone! This recipe is part of my Pantry reset, so if you're just now joining me, be sure to check out all the videos in the series. Or if you're all caught up, welcome back. One of my favorite recipes to make when I'm low on ingredients is a simple burrito bowl. I always have rice and beans on hand because they make up such a large portion of what I eat. This particular recipe has three components: a brown basmati rice, a spiced black bean, and some roasted sweet potatoes. It takes a little bit of time because of the roasting and the cooking of the rice, but once it's done, you have a hearty and filling meal the whole family will enjoy. To get started, we need to cook the rice. My preferred method is still on the stovetop with a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice, cooked for about 45 to 50 minutes. However, for all my Instapot friends, you can easily make the rice in your IP cooker. Once you get the rice started, it's time to prep the sweet potatoes. I always have a couple of sweet potatoes stashed away during the winter months because I can easily make a meal from them, especially with my pantry ingredients. To do this, we're going to cube the sweet potatoes in about a 1/2-inch cube, and then we're going to toss it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and some minced garlic. From there, we're going to pop it in an oven that has been preheated to 425 degrees and let those sweet potatoes roast until they're perfectly golden, about 30 to 35 minutes. I will say that if you're pressed for time and you still want to make these bowls for a weeknight dinner, you can prep everything ahead of time. The sweet potatoes roast well and store, and the black beans are actually one of my favorite components that I already have a recipe for on the site. These are the beans that I use for enchiladas, tacos, and these bowls, so you can find the recipe and the inspiration online. To make these beans, you're going to combine 1 cup of beans with their liquid, a little bit of garlic, spices, and a pinch of salt. Heat that over about medium heat for roughly 5 to 6 minutes. You just want those beans to be warm and some of the liquid to be absorbed. Once your sauce and the beans is thickened and the sweet potatoes are done, your rice is ready, it's time to assemble the bowls. I could easily eat these bowls as is, but one of my favorite things is adding toppings. For these bowls, you can really pick and choose what you want to add. A few of my favorites are salsa, cheese, sour cream, cilantro, a wedge of lime, and even some toasted pepitas. Today, I'm keeping my bowl vegan by adding just a little bit of salsa, toasted pepitas, and a sprinkle of cilantro. Be sure to check back in tomorrow for the next part of my pantry reset, and happy cooking!